My name is Siva Sagar. So actually I have issue like keratoconus for both of my eyes. So one of the doctors from my native Kakinada referred Apollo Hospitals, Dr Rajesh Fogla sir. He can treat this issue better. So I came here. So later on, for one eye he did collagen-crosslinking and toric ICL, and for one eye uh, cornea transplant and LASIK PRK. So now the eyesight is almost zero. After surgery, I'm feel very comfortable and very happy. It's my childhood dream to see like this without any glasses or lens, to see everything in a proper way. And my lifestyle, and I'm supporting my family in a very better way now. So really thankful to the all the people in Apollo hospitals, and especially the sir. uh, his words can treat the things in a much faster way. Thank you Rajesh Fogla sir, and thank you Apollo hospitals for doing everything for us.